Okay, I found a new light that I think y'all might like. I like it a lot, so I figured I would share it with you. I'm using it as a security light on the adventure van. It is a solar light. It is called a LITOM, L-I-T-O-M, I think. LITOM, not really sure how to say it. It is a 24 LED motion sensor light with charging by solar. And now that I've used it for a while, I really like it. Let me tell you just a little bit about it. You can make up your own mind, okay? The light is not very large, which is perfect for me. Measures about 6 inches across and about 4 inches high. For my purposes, I have modified the back and I've added a couple of magnets, and I leave it stuck to the adventure van 24/7, so it charges during the day, and at night it acts as my security light for, you know, wherever I want to put it on the van. It's small size, don't let it fool you. It throws out a lot of light. Right here it has 4 settings, off, and 1, 2, and 3 settings. Setting number 1, if you set it there, it will come on, and if the light has a good charge, it will come on and stay on for 4 to 6 hours maybe. Setting number 2 is very similar. I think it will dim the light, but it will stay on for hours. But what I like is the setting number 3. That's where I usually leave it. It comes on when motion is detected, just like all the others, but it goes off in about 30 seconds. Anywhere that you need light, these things are so cool and they're so bright. You can attach them anywhere. Just, you know, during the day you need some sunlight to charge the battery, and then at night put them around maybe your boat, your outbuilding, your car, your patio, wherever you need light. These things work.